Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the card type and the reader slot. This prevents forcing the wrong size and damaging pins. Once done, power off the target device or safely eject previous storage so the reader initializes cleanly. Make sure to inspect the card for dirt or bending and align the card's notch or arrow with the slot guide. This simple alignment ensures correct electrical contact and prevents stuck or reversed insertions. You now insert the card. Hold it by the edges to avoid touching contacts, then align and push straight in until you feel a soft resistance or click. This indicates the latch engaged. If using an adapter, seat the micro card into the adapter first, confirming it sits flush, then insert the adapter into the reader. If you encounter resistance, withdraw slightly and recheck orientation. Correct seating guarantees proper contact and reliable data transfer. You finish by connecting the reader and verifying the card appears in your file manager. This confirms power and data lines are making contact. If the card isn't detected, make sure the SD's lock switch isn't set to write protect, try a different USB port or another reader to isolate the issue, and gently clean contacts with a dry, lint-free cloth. If problems persist, test the card in a camera or phone to determine whether the card or reader is faulty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.